Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to design a custom 2025 calendar using Canva. Whether you need to manage a busy schedule or simply love creative projects, Canva provides a user-friendly platform that makes the entire process both easy and enjoyable. Let's jump straight into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Canva website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the search bar positioned at the very top. Type the word calendar and press enter to view a wide range of available templates. You will find many different styles, from sleek minimalist designs to more decorative and colorful options. Browse through the collection until you find a template that matches your aesthetic or specific needs. Remember, this is your project, so choose something that really appeals to you. Once you have selected a template, click the Customize this template button. This action opens the Canva design interface, allowing you to modify the layout. You can upload your own photos, tweak the color palette, and change the typography to suit your preferences. However, because we are making this for the year 2025, the most vital task is updating the date. Locate the year displayed on the template, click on the text box, and change it to 2025. Ensure that the new text is accurate and sits perfectly within the design. While you are editing, feel free to add other personal touches. You might want to mark significant dates like birthdays or anniversaries. Canva lets you include extra text boxes, icons, and stickers to highlight these important moments in a unique way. After completing your customizations and ensuring you are happy with the look, it is a good idea to review the final version. Navigate to the top of the screen and hit the preview button. This gives you a clear view of the entire calendar so you can spot any necessary adjustments. When everything looks perfect, it is time to save your work. Click the download button and pick the file type you prefer, such as a high-quality PDF or a standard image file. Just like that, you have created your very own 2025 calendar with Canva. Now you are ready to print it out, share it with your friends, or keep it on your devices to stay organized throughout the coming year. Great job on finishing your design, and happy planning for 2025.